Complement of a set. Suppose U is an universal set. If B is a subset of U, then set of all elements in U which are not in a set B are called as complement of B, and it is denoted as B dash or BC. So B dash is defined as follow. B dash is a set of elements X belongs to the universal set and X does not belongs to the set B. So students, for understanding the concept of complement set, I will give you the example of students of 9th standard. So let's take the same example. If I want to see the set B such that students who are absent in webinar, so for that what I will do, we have discussed in universal set that I will take the list of students of 9th standard is my universal set. From that, the students which are not sitting for the webinars or online lectures will be my list of students for B. So my B complement will be, that means if I will remove the students who are not sitting for the lectures from the class, so those students which will remain inside or which will remain in the list are the students who are sitting in the class. So over here my B complement is the set which is students which are belonging to the 9th standard, but those who are not belonging to the absent students, that means present students. So do you understand the concept of complement set? Let's see some example. Let U be the set of natural numbers from 1 to 10 and A is a set of even number, then of course A complement will be set of odd number. For understanding it more clearly, let's see the example with the help of Venn diagram. As we all know that universal set is represented by the square. So inside the square we will write all the numbers, and below that we will write that inside that we will represent the set A. We have learned how to represent the subset in the diagram. So similarly I will represent set A over here. So the elements which are present in a square but not in a circle will be the elements of A complement. Now let's see the second example. Over here they have taken a universal set such that 1, 3, 9, 11, 13, 18 and 19, in which 3, 9, 11, 13 are the elements of set B. So the remaining elements, that is 1, 18 and 19, will be the elements of B complement. Now students, can you find B complement? So obviously the B complement will be the elements which are present in universal set but not in a B complement. So in B complement elements present are 1, 8, 19, but the remaining elements of universal set are 3, 9, 11 and 13. Therefore my B complement of complement is equal to B. Now we should remember the following properties of complement of set. No elements are common in A and A complement, as the elements which are present in A are not present in A complement and elements which are present in A complement are not present in A. Second, A is a subset of universal set and A complement is also the subset of universal set. Then complement of set U is an empty set. So if the universal set contains all the elements in it, so its complement will be, of course, an empty set, and complement of empty set is universal set. So students, over here we have completed our Venn diagram, subset, universal set and complement of a set. Now next time in a webinar we will discuss the practice set 1.3. Thank you.